everybody. All right, so somehow I left the SD card at home for the GoPro, so we're having to phone film.
Oops.
It's a little awkward.
Yeah.
My arm's not long enough. We're just doing more,
Can't see us.
I know, more backyard stuff. So, and I've been wanting to do a longer hike, so we're doing about 14 miles.
Yeah.
So it's a gorgeous day. Started out like 34 degrees, so it was a little cold, but
Yeah, it's supposed to get up at about 66 today, so
hopefully. This is gorgeous so far.
yeah,
We'll
really.
come back around. Yeah, so it's starting to rain.
Kind of harder.
Yeah, it was supposed to be completely clear,
Yeah.
sun only,
Yeah, not even partially cloudy.
and
I
now
don't
it's
know what
raining. I
happened.
mean, it's not raining hard, but hard enough.
Yeah, we're getting a little wet.
I think we're almost to where we're headed. I'm not quite sure,
Hopefully.
but we're planning on having a picnic in this field area. It's still raining a little,
And cold.
and now everything's wet. So we're not quite sure what's going to happen.
Oh my goodness.
Here's the view from our picnic spot. Pretty nice, except it's still raining.
It's raining harder.
Raining a little harder. This part of the trail doesn't quite feel like a trail. It feels more like a ravine, maybe, that water comes down. All right, we're back. Well, almost.
Yeah, almost.
We've done about 12 miles. We've still got about 2 more road walking miles to do.
Yep.
But it was gorgeous. The flowers
Oh
were
my goodness.
amazing. We
Yeah.
did-
I think I might be with you on the spring kind of almost being my favorite season now.
Yeah, we used to
Kind
play
of
fall, but I
passing
think,
fall a little bit.
yeah,
Yeah.
it was awesome. It did rain on us,
It did.
but not like where we were soaking wet, but we were freezing there for a
Freezing.
while.
A little wet and
Yeah.
rained on our picnic.
It was fun though. It did rain on our picnic.
Yeah, this is actually gorgeous right now. The weather.
Yeah. Stay here for a minute before we walk the road.
Yeah. It's nice.
So you can probably hear it. I'm just kidding.